Hello, dear viewers who are plowing through YouTube day and night. Welcome to our channel, where the Torturing Timber Trucks column is broadcasted regularly. Today, we invite you to join us on an extremely muddy journey, both literally and figuratively. The wood truck of the driver, who is not afraid of mud, is about to pass a road that the locals jokingly call a gym for cars. Will the car reach the finish line safely, or will it turn into a mud sculpture? Remember to sit still, hold on to your phone, and explore with me. Oh my gosh, folks, let me introduce to you. This is a challenge called the Fatherland's Past Calls, and our main character, a two-axle, four-wheeled warhorse. But every wheel is wondering, what am I spinning for? Yes, there you have it. The wheels are spinning like a top, the mud is splashing like a line dance on Tet Holiday, but the car still stands still as if hypnotized by the slope. And now it's time to unleash the ultimate move, the winch. This is the silent savior for those stuck, sliding, or out-of-breath situations like the one right now. And next, please enjoy the strolling in the middle of the forest of the timber truck, gentle and leisurely, like walking on the street. If the street had dense trees and endless potholes. Behind is a whole forest on the back, wood stacked as if preparing to open a shop, selling national barbecue firewood. On both sides are neatly lined forests, as if welcoming a special ambassador, Mr. Truck specializing in difficult roads. Another steep climb that made the audience's hearts pound. The heavy wood truck, like the heart of a heartbroken person, was trying to climb up a slope that was not for the faint-hearted. You see, this tilted car shape is not because of the style, but because the road wants to drown it. On one side is a cliff, on the other side is a valley, and the car is thinking, should I go up or go down faster? A thrilling, muddy, and nerve-wracking hill climb. Don't take your eyes off the next pass. It could be legendary or need rescue. And ladies and gentlemen, this is not a truck stunt, but a heart wants to go uphill, but the weight pulls it back to the past moment. The car was officially facing the sky. The two front wheels were raised high as if to say, "I give up, guys." Well, the two rear wheels were still holding on. We're still clinging to the ground. And then, boom, the wood exploded like New Year's fireworks. An unsolicited sale that left everyone stunned. The driver must have been standing there watching with tears streaming down his face. "Wood, where are you going? I haven't even had time to deliver you to the customer yet." A gentle reminder to all drivers, payload is no joke, and steep grades are never friends with a truck full of logs. Lose the logs today, lose them tomorrow. Keep that in mind, folks. Thank you everyone for following until the end of today's muddy journey. If you find it fun, see the car flip and still laugh, remember to like, share, and click the channel subscription button to give us motivation. Keep up the fun. See you again in the next episode of the rough wood carrying phase.